Have you started showing him around? Yeah? Well, I assume you're showing him around. It's not nice to steal your sticks. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. You guys are loud.
Hey, look, there's another one. Here. Alright, everyone's happy. Boys, don't get too carried away. Oh. Nature zoomies. The boys are having fun. Sir, sorry. I'll have this back. This is not for chewing. This is for playing fetch. Good job, Tiger. Good job. Look at them.
This video is brought to you by Yuffie. As a dog owner, I always consider a few key factors when choosing a vacuum cleaner. Super powerful suction to effectively remove pet hair from both floors and carpets, especially during shedding season. A multifunctional dog, allowing me to spend less time cleaning and more time playing with my pups, and an anti-tangle brush to prevent clogs. The Yuffie Extend Pro Omni Vacuum ticks all the boxes. Now let's talk about this multifunctional dog. Besides vacuuming and mopping the floors to protection, this device can take care of itself too. It self-empties, refills its clean water tank, washes, and dries its mops like a pro. Another crucial feature for every pet owner is its AIC function. Now, how many times have you heard stories about robot vacuums spreading poop on the floor? Well, Yuffie can recognize and avoid objects even in dark spaces or at night, preventing any mishaps. If you're looking for a smart and powerful vacuum cleaner at an affordable price, click the link below to learn more.
I want to do a little taste test. Here. Here, pups. Here, Tiger. What do you pups think? Chicken hearts. You like chicken hearts? Oh. Okay, take it as a yes. Get pups. Breakfast's coming. Shh. Hey. Careful. Looks like they enjoy it.
Who wants to go outside? Hey, shh, Tiger. Oh, geez, you're a bit grumpy today. Sit. Sit. Okay, Leo, sit. Yes. Go. Freedom. The boys are having fun. Each of them is having its own activity.
Major zoomers on leash. Cat puppers, who wants a cookie? You want a cookie? Okay, even be a good boy and spin around. Huh? Spin. Good boy. Pretty? Pretty? No, pretty? Okay, spin. Good boy. It's right here. Simba, come. Good boy, Simba. Sit. Sit. Good job. Well done. What are you trying to do?
You want to play with her? I'm sure she's not really into zoomies. Oh! That unleashed the inner monster. Oh my goodness!
What did she do to you, Simba? Are you okay? You know what? I thought Nala was holding the world's record of the muddiest dog ever. But looking at you, I think you beat her record, Simba. Oh, jeez. I thought you were the wise man here. Well, I was wrong about that. My goodness, guys. How did this happen? Oh, my. Oh. Leo, do you want to spin so everyone can see how majestic you're looking? Of course. Thank you. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of your son? Leo, what was in your head when you got into that mud puddle? Huh? You had to take Simba out of it, not join him. Well, regardless, you both are getting a buff. No. Back! Back! You're getting a buff right now. So get ready. I know.
This is gonna be a long bath. It's gonna take a few rounds of rinsing you to get all this gunk out of your fur. Hey kitty, you wanna take a bath too? I really don't recommend that tonight.
Are you excited to take a bath? Or are you going to try to escape?
Well, either way, you're going this way. Come on. Why do you look so sad? You don't like taking a bath? That'll teach you a lesson. Okay, free to go.
How did you squeeze yourself here, huh? He literally squeezed himself here to get you. Right, baby? Right? You're squishing your pups.